Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shin-Chan pudding. First, unbox your kit and identify all the packets and molds. Make sure you have a clean, flat surface to work on and a small cup of water ready. Reading the instructions thoroughly beforehand will help you understand each step. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience from start to finish. Now, let's start mixing the pudding layers. Take the first powder packet, usually for the main pudding base, and carefully empty it into one of the mixing trays. Add exactly 10 milliliters of water to the powder. Stir gently but thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. Then, pour this mixture into the larger pudding mold, filling it evenly. Next, we'll bring Shin-Chan to life with his iconic features. Mix the second powder packet with a small amount of water in another tray, creating a thicker paste for the face. Use the provided dropper or a small tool to carefully draw Shin-Chan's eyes, eyebrows, and mouth onto the pudding. Finally, prepare the topping sauce by mixing the last powder with water, aiming for a slightly runny consistency. Once all the elements are in place, it's time for the final step. Carefully place your Shin-Chan pudding in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to allow it to set completely. After chilling, retrieve your adorable creation and drizzle the prepared topping sauce over it. Your homemade Shin-Chan pudding is now ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.